Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to do an update on the stainless steel table here on Amazon that we got. We really like the affordability of this table, and we've used it for meat processing, smoking, arts, crafts, processing food. It's NSF compliant, so it has held up really well. The stainless is, for a budget table, it is very, very good. The packaging of this table, it's kind of hit or miss. It's a larger object to ship, so it's a little bit harder to ship, but they do package it pretty well. We didn't have too much issues with that. If you're looking to get into stainless, this is a good budget table to get started with, to see if these types of commercial applications are right for your home or business. My name is Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and we really like this table. We've gotten a few of them, and I think we're going to purchase a few more.